Hello my YouTube friends, it's time for another PDR Dent fix using hot glue and cold glue. No painting necessary. Today I'm working on a Honda CR-V. The dent is on the front fender. The dent covers a 28-inch section with fractured paint. I will be using hot glue, cold glue, and PDR rods. I'll be getting a dent from looking like this to this. Straight away, I am torching the paint to prepare the panel for PDR glue tabs. I am placing the tab and pin into the deepest section of the dent. The paintless dent repair bridge will be soaring in like a hungry hawk and land on the fender and grab its prey. The drill will be doing all the pulling. I just need to pull the trigger. Let's take a closer look on what just happened. Because of the advent of these massive glue tabs, you're able to handle much larger dents with ease. I left the pressure on the puller and a couple squirts of the alcohol and the tab just popped off. Removing the glue residue. And now for more exciting dent pulls with the cold glue. Tightening up the glue tab on the slide hammer, torching the panel and the glue so it can be extra sticky. I'm going to place my tab in strategic locations to pop and pull the remaining low areas. Time to do some R&I. We're going to R&I the headlamp so I can create more access angles to get a cleaner dent repair. Grabbing my drill and 10mm along with my Phillip head attachment to remove the bumper area. After dropping the corner bumper, there were 4 additional bolts holding the headlamp. After removing the headlamp and bumper, the fender is now unstable. In order to help alleviate the fender from moving so much, I will place the screw back in. Now we are ready. Look at all that open space. You can see the upper rail cause the outer crease. I'm placing my soft tip on my single bend PDR rod. I have amazing leverage point now for some power pushing on the body line and the surrounding areas. I'll be going back and forth with my knockdown and my paintless dent removal rods. Here I am using my 2-hammer method, one hammer as a knockdown and the other as a striker. This is great if you want extra reach when blending. I have 3 access points, headlamp, wheel well, and thirdly behind the door. Here I'm going for the outie crease. I'm dragging my knockdown over the crease and the remaining crowns. I'm getting close to finishing with my final pushes and knockdown work. Here's the finished product with the light and without the light. You can see the remaining fractured paint. Here is the before and the after of this 28-inch section. Here is a 180 from the last angle. If you enjoyed this video, it would be great to get a thumbs up. If you would like more dent content like this, hit the sub and notification button. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video.